I am Medha Ray. I am from West Bengal and I am doing my bachelor's degree in travel and tourism management, and I've already persuaded the foundation in travel and tourism with Amadeus from ITTI Gujarat. I am very much thankful to sir. I have completed successfully my exams in September 2020. As a person who have never ever had any online sessions like this, I was very confused about the mode of teaching and all. Like how will I accept it, or how will people like sir teach me, or how much will I be able to grab? But somehow I gathered courage because like something motivated me and gave I was left with only two options. One is either to waste my time or to accept the new normal. So I accepted the new normal. I came to the class and the class were overwhelming. I was very happy with it. Like now as I am in college, so I have experienced another platform where I am being taught in the same medium. But there's a difference, not a slight, but a huge difference. Like in our college classes, I have seen that our teachers are they just come, they just give their lecture and they go. They are not at all responsible whether we are all present, whether we are listening, whether we have understood, or anything like that. And even there are times when teachers are to be called by us. Like we have to call the teachers so that they come up, like take the class, and sometimes even they ignore our class calls. But like this is not the case in this course. Sir is very much responsible about the timing, and he is also very much responsible about how we are taking the whole course, with whether we are understanding or not, like whether we are able to remember the total syllabus or not. He's very much responsible. Like we are never allowed to put off our camera in the course, and even we are not expected to put our mic on mute for long. Like sir expect us to have a question in every second, or sir will ask one because he want us to have clarifications. But in comparison to our college classes, I have seen where our teachers normally don't ask questions, but if also they ask, then and the student don't reply, they just move on irrespective of the presence of the student. They don't even try to know whether the student understood the topic or why is he not there. But sir is totally, but this course was totally different from that. So in this, sir used to even record our classes. If any by chance we miss the class, and he used to send it to us so that we don't face difficulty, because in this course is a short time course and every second in this course is very important. I have even faced problems when I was not able to come to the class. Sir have recorded classes for me. And also like in this course the materials that are provided to us, the ebook that is provided to us, and the notes that we get from sir are more than enough to be a good professional in this field. Like something suddenly struck my mind is that there's a very popular saying which sir used to say is that ek haath se taali nahi bajti hai. And sir used to add that although we are different from each other, but as sir is giving his 100%, we should also try to give our 100% so that the sound of our clap is more louder and clearer. Thank you.